What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Join me as today we're going to be adding some more mods and some more tasteful things to the Daytona 660, which is here right next to me. One of the things today that we're going to be doing is going to be installing the EVO Tech tail tidy or the Fender Eliminator kit, because on these bikes stock they look atrocious, and I think that putting that tail tidy and cleaning it all up is going to complete the bike and give it the extra little touch that we need. So let's go ahead, unbox the EVO Tech tail stuff, and then install it, and then we'll go show you what it looks like at the end of the day. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started removing this tail tidy or this fender, because I don't know about you guys, but I think it looks atrocious. Like, this is such a clean looking bike, but this rear fender sticks out so freaking far. Ignore all the stuff in the background, but look at that, it sticks out so freaking far. And finally, when we get the new one installed, which is right here in the box, and we'll be unboxing it with you guys, it's gonna literally sit flush right here, so that way it no longer sticks out. Because let's get a side profile view, and look at that. Like, it's such a cool bike, and then this thing just sticks out so far. So again, let's go ahead and unbox the EVO Tech one, which is specifically for this bike. This is the only one that I personally have seen that sells a tail tidy for this bike. So let's go see how good it is. And that way, any of you guys who are wanting to do this to your Daytona 660 have an idea if you guys should go with this. And by the end of it, we'll either show you guys if it went all good or if anything went bad. But first things first, let's go ahead and box it to show everything comes in the box and everything you guys would get after purchasing it. And then let's go from there. Of course, over here we have Shy Guy. He is being a supervisor today. He's going to be monitoring us and making sure that we're doing everything correctly. So yeah, if anything goes wrong, we can blame Shy Guy. Also, we'll be cleaning the bike a little bit because right now it's super dirty from the last time I actually went out and rode. But so I've opened the box, but I actually haven't. All right, now that we move you guys to the bench, you guys can clearly see we can lay these out. So let's move this to the side. So we have a cable connector of some sort. This is obviously a connector for something. Then we have a couple bolts. These two are, let me see, they're roughly this. Yeah, these are the same size. It's got a smaller one here, and then just a bunch of washers, and stuff like that. We got some other washers here, some nuts. Just make sure we don't lose anything. And a bunch of more. Let's go ahead and put all that there. And then a couple bolts. Make sure we didn't anything there. And then obviously we had these two from earlier. I have another bag, probably some more bolts. So okay. So holy, okay, so we get quite a few zip ties. There's more in there. So you guys get this, whatever this is. Little plastic bolts. Some screws. They don't really have a head. Some plastic pieces and some nuts and bolts. So. And then this is just a light, I guess. I don't know where this is supposed to go, but we'll figure this all out. Okay, so this is probably where more likely the plate's gonna go, so. And then another plate here. This is very, very thick and feels very sturdy, so. I don't know what that is. I mean, I'm assuming we've got another one. Yep. Oh, look at that. You can see how it's CNC'd right here. Just by the little markings, which I think is very neat. And then this is probably where this goes. I'm gonna assume so, because it's for the little light that's gonna be under the the plate itself, and then one more bag. And again, all under EVO Tech. There's this. 2 little nuts. That's pretty much it. So this is going to be pretty much everything that comes in that Fender Eliminator kit. So let's go ahead and start uninstalling the Fender we have now, and then figuring out how this all goes together. So let's go to the bike. One thing that I'm going to link the EVO Tech video that they don't mention in the video, which is obviously you guys are going to reuse the rear tail lights or the little lights. But one thing that they don't show you is how to get that apart. So for anyone like me who's going to be doing this exact same tail tidy kit, you got 2 bolts here, and then the blinkers are good and they're like loose, but you still need to get them out. So you want to get this nut out, and then this one, and then this pries apart, and there's little connectors running down here, and you disconnect them and you can pull them through. But then you have to put them and reuse them over there. But other than that, so far, we've just been following this little tutorial video on how to actually set up their tail tidy. One thing that I love about EVO Tech is they show you how everything works. So like here, we'll use this with 2 little washers. Wait a minute, guys. One thing that EVO Tech doesn't show you in their video, because for some reason they didn't do it with how to get these little markers out as well, it's actually the cable that they use in the video, which they, again, I don't know why they don't tell you how they get it, but it's actually within the Fender. So you just need to take off this cover. Once again, there's 2 bolts here, and then just remove this, and then cut this wire off, and then this wire is the one that we're actually needing. And then boom, tail tidy all done, and then we'll connect her, button it all up, and then obviously not put the plate, but then we'll button her and all up, and hopefully then we are complete. Now that I'm not sad because we actually have everything we need, I am super excited. So be back, let me get that off there, let me get everything all buttoned up and put back together, and then we're gonna try it out with the little turn signals, and hopefully everything works. But yeah, don't do the mistake that I did and assume that they were supposed to send to you, because it doesn't say in the freaking video. They might say instructions, but I was looking at the video for the instructions and yeah, failed. But oh well. Let's go ahead and get this put on and then correct what we didn't do. Alrighty guys, well here is the tail tidy in all entirety. We got everything up wired. You have the little light here that reflects on the actual plate itself, and then this is optional. You don't have to put this on, you can actually just remove it. But on the original tail tidy, it has 1 there and 2 on the side, so I decided why not. But just to give you guys confirmation, I did have to redo the freaking connections, because originally whenever I did this, it was only doing I was doing the left while I was doing the right. So if you can see, I'm doing right up here, and then the orange one up here. So it goes hand in hand pretty freaking well. Everything looks good. They're blinking on point. Just do. And then let me demonstrate the left one so that way you guys can see. And then here you go. That would be your left one. So all good. We got everything working. Just time to put the plate on, and then there you guys have it. Again, I'm pretty sure I'm going to loop this into a different video, and this is not going to be its own video on its own. So let's jump to whatever we were doing else. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this little tail tidy. I think it's going to complete the bike. So alrighty guys, well here you guys have it. Here's the complete look. Let's go ahead and just show you what it looks like. So we'll make our way to the back, but I think this looks amazing. And there you guys have it. There is a complete tail tidy. Get it from the back angle. Look at that. I think this gives it a lot of a cleaner look. Look at that side profile. This thing just looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. Well, there you guys have it. There is going to be the final look on the bike. Obviously, the tail tidy is really needed on these stock bikes because, again, in my personal opinion, they look hideous. But let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a cool tail tidy? I know a lot of people rock the tail tidy that's literally tucking in the plate all the way in. Personally, I don't want to get pulled over, aka I went with one that is not as... that doesn't hide the plate as much. I do think it completes the look and it makes it look amazing. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And with that being said, guys, as always, you guys gotta grind to shine. With that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.